Hello, friends. Belated Happy Deepavali, and welcome back to the channel again. I'm going to teach you or guide you with new things here. I got some requests on the comments and email as well. People who are starting the career, they are really struggling with the vendors list. They are not aware how to generate the vendor list or how soon they can collect the things and all. So I'll make more videos on that, but yes, like obviously that would take some time for you to collect email IDs regularly and all, and to make a list. So just for helping purpose, I'm doing one thing. I'm sharing one or two links in the description. You can download the vendor's details from there. If you are a pen salesperson, so there would be the recruiter's data in the description. And for the other guys or other people, if someone is looking for anything else, like for any kind of list, so just message me or just comment. I'll add it there. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay tuned.